Today we have Audi mild hybrid battery pack. It is 48 volt system produced by LG Chem. This car was at one service center in Croatia, and they were doing something on engine, front engine, and this battery failed during the repair of the front engine. This is one of the worst ever produced system on mild hybrids, because everything fails between 50,000 and 100,000 kilometers, and this battery costs something around 2,500 euros, and mild hybrid electric motor in the front costs around 2,000 euro, and everything fails at between 50,000 and 100,000 kilometers. And I forgot to mention, this is the part number from ETKA, Volkswagen electric online catalog, and those are the DTCs. This is deep discharge error, complete lock of the BMS. That means this 48 volts battery pack cannot be used anymore. We will check what is the voltage of the individual cells, and is it safe to recharge or repair the BMS to reuse it again. Master BMS is SPC 5644. Those are pouch cells. They are visible from here. It's a 14S, and we see end of the terminals 48 volts. Now it's 43. This system has its own cooling system to cool down the terminals and cells. Now we'll try to refurbish it. Mild hybrid battery pack is finished. We are recharging the cells. We balanced the cells and we checked all the cells, and now everything seems okay. We will assemble the battery pack and send it to the customer. Assembled, and now we'll test it on the bench. We connect the diagnostic tool. As you can see, now we have passive errors. This is customer readout.